What's going on, y'all? The Stampede is back to try another run on 6S. You guys see I did put some hoons on there. So basically I went in, I got some 17mm adapters from Amazon, but these aren't the best in the world. You guys see how it's still got some play and stuff in there. So I don't know how this is gonna play out today. They were like 17 bucks. So I figured I'd give them a try. I did try them on some other cars and they were okay, but I thought they would fit a little bit better on these. I do have MIP drive shafts on the front and rear of this, and stabilizer bars in the front and rear, and GTR shocks, etc. On this Stampede. But let's go ahead and let's see what we can do. We do have 6S in here. You guys see here, GPS 2 miles per hour, so it is catching. I'm just kind of worried about the stability of this, but we'll get them going anyway. I should have put that wheelie bar down some before I did this first run, but we'll see. See if I can at least get it up to a little bit more than half speed with it. Look at that, flipping already. Yeah, these tires are gonna be unstable. Yeah, let me adjust this wheelie bar just a little bit. Let me lower it down. Let me make one quick adjustment to this. Yeah, let me make one quick adjustment because I already see what I gotta do to this. And with that minor run, we got a whopping 29 miles per hour. So let me make one quick adjustment and we'll be back in just 1 second. All right, we're back. Wheelie bar is all the way down. You guys see that that is still, not 29, 62. So we got 62 miles per hour out that run right there. Let's take this back down. Let me make sure that's not, yeah, 62, okay. Sometimes it readjusts. All right, get this back down real quick. Steering is off a little bit. Get that right. This has so much potential. I just gotta make some adjustments to it. I haven't had the time to really make it. I think I'm losing a little reception right there. Something. I think that's what's going on. All right. Ooh, oh, dude. Knew that was gonna happen. Let's see what we got with that. Tire rolling down there and stuff. So I'm definitely gonna have to spend a little bit more time with getting this together. 66. And guys, I'm telling you, I'm barely even. I'm probably at half throttle, a little bit more, but look, the tire is floating over there. Let's see what we did. And I'll show you guys what I'm talking about with these adapters. It's this left or right side that kind of popped off. And that probably might be from the crash as well. So you guys see I have these adapters on here, and this is actually a little bit looser than I like it to be. But you guys see kind of how much play is in there. And basically, when you put these on, these go over top of the outside of the wheel, and that kind of helps secure it down. I may have to get a couple more washers or something to put over there to help secure this down more. So I thought I was gonna get a little bit faster. Battery done came out and everything. So anyway, guys, that's gonna be a run of this. I gotta make some adjustments, some serious adjustments. So next time you guys see this, it will be ready to really get out and do some good running with it, because I know what I have to do to this. I know what kind of time I have to spend in this to make this to go good. But I am running old Mamba Max Pro speed control. I think this is the version 3, I think it is. And this is a 3800 kV motor. I have in here a 22 pinion with a 54 spur. So this has tons of potential to be a lot faster. I'm gonna have to make some adjustments. I'm gonna have to lower this down some, make some shock adjustments and stuff as well with it, but it does have the potential to be a 100 mile per hour truck, as I've seen it done before in the past. So anyway, guys, put your comments down below. Stay tuned for more videos. I'm gonna get this set back up in the next couple of weeks, and we'll get them back out and get them running. So thanks, guys, for watching. All right, y'all know how it is. I had to try something else again. You guys see it's still 66 miles per hour. So if you stuck around after I ended the first one, I think I got some. I gotta try it again. I didn't come all the way up here just to get 66 miles per hour. I can get that almost stock out the box. There we go. Doing a little bit better there. Let's see what we got on that one, because I almost got up to, Well, I ain't gonna say I almost got it. Faster than it was before because it's a little bit more stable. But I definitely got to work on the stability of this car and get some better fitting tires and wheels. And look at that, 75 miles per hour. So I'm happy with that. We got over 70, and I think the way it's set up, we can possibly do 80 miles per hour because I'm still went up to full speed. And y'all know what? What the heck? It's Saturday. It's Super Speed Saturday. So let's try this again, guys. Probably should have checked my temperatures, but we'll be good. This is what these days are made for. I probably need to stay more on this right side facing you guys than I do on the farther left side. I think it's a little bit. Yeah. Oh, I lost my, look at that. Wow, tire, everything. So we're having some fun. Let's see what we got real quick with this speed. All right, y'all. Car everywhere. Tire right here. Hex adapter right there. Let's see what we got real quick. Hopefully. Yep, look at that. 81 miles per hour. I am happy with that because I still wasn't even up to top speed with this before I flipped. So I'm going to work on the stability of this truck, and I'm going to get this running because, like I said, its current setup, it's got some potential. I just got to do a couple adjustments and stuff to it, and I haven't even really touched on the gearing. Like I said, I'm running a 22 pinion with a 54 spur. I can go down to a Mod 1, I think 34 tooth spur that they use on the E-Revo and stuff, I believe it is. But I got plenty of potential for some better gearing on this truck and stuff as well. So you guys stay tuned for that. So I'm going to put some time into this. I'm going to get this kind of set up to break 100 miles per hour because I'm 19 miles away. And like this will probably hit about 85 to 90. So 100 miles is very, very easy with this. And then next I'll get out and I'll get my slash going as well because I know that has the potential to hit 100 easily. But anyway, guys, put your comments down below. I got the truck laying on his side. He's just like, oh. So, and you guys stay tuned for more videos. Appreciate you watching.